So I had the AirPods Pro first generation for a few years now, and the reason I got these is because of the noise cancellation and the in-ear design. I just prefer these tips, but it's time for an upgrade, so I got the second generation. And here's a quick look at the back side. So I want to do a quick unboxing and just do a quick comparison and let you know my thoughts of them. All right, so unboxing experience, basically the same thing, designed by Apple in California. We got some instructions in here. And I don't think the Apple stickers are here anymore, right? Yeah, no Apple stickers anymore. And the AirPods themselves. Oh yeah. But beforehand, let's see at the bottom. All right, so here we're gonna have our additional ear tips. So there's gonna be size extra small, small, and large. And the ones in here are just gonna be the medium sized. And then finally, the last thing is gonna be the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And this, of course, is gonna be braided. Now, I'm not gonna open this because I have plenty of these laying around. So I'll just put that off to the side. Let's get back to the AirPods themselves. So from a long distance, yeah, these look basically identical. If I take a look at the side, same thing, although the white does look a little bit different, and that might be because, I mean, this is newer, so this is a glossier. This also looks a lot more whiter, at least in person, than this one. This one kind of gives more of a cream color. This one's more bright. Here's the back side. Oh yeah, that button is dirty, and this one's nice and clean. And the change here is going to be this loop. So now you can actually attach some sort of loop, some strap on it if you want to put it on your wrist or on a keychain. Just makes it easier. You don't need an actual third-party case. And the bottom side, here's the other difference. It's going to be USB-C instead of that lightning connector. And it looks to be some ports here at the bottom, or some grills. So besides the changes in the AirPods case, we're also going to have a few differences in the AirPods themselves. So starting with the grill at the bottom, this has actually changed to the top, and it also appears to be a little bit bigger. And this one on the side has appeared to shrunk. And as always, connecting these are pretty easy, just opening them right up. And then nearby iPhone should receive this, and then unlock to connect. Now they're connecting, and they're officially connected. And here it says media and call control. Press once on either AirPod. Adjust the volume. Personalized volume. Okay, so this is going to be what's going to be different about these AirPods. So turn on personalized volume. When you start speaking, AirPods will lower media volume, reduce background noise, and enhance voices in front of you. So lower media volume when I start speaking. And there, so these are ready to be placed in my ear. Test, test, test. Continue. Not now. All right, so let's see if this works. Yeah, so as I'm talking, oh, that's pretty cool. Right as I'm talking right now, it turned on transparency mode, so now I can actually hear myself talk, and it also lowered the volume of the music. So if I was talking to somebody, then I would be able to hear them actually even more clear again because of the transparency mode. All right, so it took a few seconds, but it finally went back to regular volume. And once again, right now I'm in transparency mode again, just because I'm talking. So it does take a few seconds for it to go back to normal. Now let me go to my AirPods themselves. So it's an adaptive, and as I start talking, it moves on to transparency mode, so we can actually see this happen in real time. And after a few seconds, it'll move to noise cancellation when I stop talking. Just like that. So let's see other stuff we can check out here. So we can change the name of the AirPods themselves. We can change the noise control, press and hold AirPods to see what happens. So if I press and hold it, transparency and noise cancellation, it'll cycle between those two. And that's with either right or left. And call controls, press once to answer, press once to mute and unmute, and then press twice to end call. Personalized volume, adjust the volume and media response to your environment. Yep, I'll leave that on. Conversation awareness, lower media volume and reduce background noise when you start speaking to other people. Loud sound reduction, reduces loud sounds you are exposed to. Automatic ear detection. Okay, yeah, this is just whenever I take my AirPods off, it'll stop the music. It knows my my AirPods are in my ear. When I put them back in, it'll know they're in the ear and they'll start the music again. Spatial audio, personalized spatial audio. So I can actually adjust this and let's see what it does. Personalized spatial audio. You can use your iPhone camera to personalize spatial audio to the shape of your ears. Take AirPods out of ears to continue. All right, I'll take them out. All right, they're out. Position the phone in front of you so that your face is in the camera frame. Move your head left and right. All right, so let me start that. All right, move your head to the left and then to the right. Left, right. Okay, so the capture is complete. So personalized spatial audio, you have completed your personalized spatial audio setup. Sweet. Next. All right, see and hear how it works. Okay, so now I can place my AirPods back in my ears. All right, so spatial audio, experience immersive, three-dimensional sound that follows the movement of your iPhone. For supported audio and videos, you can turn on spatial audio in Control Center. Just touch and hold the volume slider, then tap spatial audio. All right, so I'm not an audio buff, so I'm not going to be able to describe that perfectly, but what I can tell is as I move my phone to the front or to the back, there's just different volumes. So I guess you can say if my phone's in the front, it sounds like the audio is coming from the front. If my phone's in the back, it sounds like I can hear it more from the back side. And also switching between the spatial audio and the stereo audio, it just amplifies everything a little bit more. So kind of, you know, as the image suggests, I guess coming from all directions. Now, would I have this on? Probably not. I'll just probably keep it the stereo audio just as is. Back to the other settings, we have microphone set to automatic, enable charging case sounds, optimize battery charging, find my network, accessibility, and then some other information here and when my warranty expires. And now ear tip fit test. So test the fit of your ear tips. So let me continue. All right, place AirPods in both ears so that they're comfortable and secure, then press play to test fit. For best results, complete ear fit test in a quiet environment. All right. Oh, all right. I mean, that was pretty quick. It just played some tunes, and I guess everything seems fine. Good seal. So I'll click done. And either way, if there wasn't a good seal, I still have other options since, again, there's extra small, small, and large. Currently, the mediums are on, and medium seems to be an appropriate size for me, so I'll keep them as is. So yeah, that's a quick look at the AirPods Pro 2nd generation.